If a foreigner wanted to date you, how much money should he have per month to live here? What's the biggest financial mistake foreigners make when dating Filipinas? What's the cheapest date that would still impress you? If a foreigner made only 30,000 Philippine pesos a month, would you still date him? What's the most romantic thing a guy can do without spending money? Ay, ma'am, excuse me. Ma'am, pwede ka mo ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Kahit 2 minutes lang. Okay lang? Okay lang? YouTube. May we know what's your name and age?
I'm Roxy and I'm 25 years old.
How are you tonight, Roxy?
I'm just doing my run here. So yeah,
You're doing your run. Okay. You're so pretty.
thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so here's the question, Roxy. If a foreigner wanted to date you, how much money should he have per month to live here?
I think here in Naga City,
Yes, here in Naga, here in the Philippines.
Philippines. Maybe in the Philippines or Naga City specifically, I'd say like 50,000. You will live comfortably for 50,000 here in Naga. But in the Philippines or like Manila, I think you need more. Or if you want to live in like an urban place, I think 50,000 would be enough.
What's the cheapest date would still impress you?
Oh, date. I'd say cafe date or coffee dates, like, or we can go eat street food. Yeah, I'd appreciate that.
How much do you think it would cost if you go on a street food date?
Like street food, if it comes to street food, I think like 300 or 500.
Pesos.
Yeah, for both of us.
What's the most romantic thing a guy can do without spending money?
Cook for me, I guess.
And what would be? What would it be?
Like a simple date at home, or we can cook together like pasta or chicken.
Pasta like spaghetti?
Like, yeah, like carbonara and like more protein because I need more protein.
Okay. This one. If a foreigner made only 30,000 Philippine pesos a month, would you still date him?
uh, yeah, if I work too, yeah, that would be okay.
If you're working.
If I'm working, if we both work, but if we're both not working and we only got like 30,000 each month, I don't think that would be enough. Especially the expenses here in the Philippines is getting higher.
Yeah, because of the inflation, right?
Yeah, that's right.
In your opinion, what's the biggest financial mistake foreigners make when dating Filipinas?
I think mm, I actually haven't I haven't experienced dating a foreigner, so I can't actually say about that.
You cannot really answer that question, right? No idea at all. Still studying?
No.
Maybe know what's your job if it's okay.
I worked at BPO, but right now I just took a break.
Just took a break. You're so pretty, like, and she's also very fit, guys. Very fit. Do you always like run like every night, every day?
Actually, it's my first time running with my friend, but I usually go to the gym like 4 times a week.
What is your name and age?
I am Krish and I'm currently 19 years old.
How are you tonight?
I'm feeling fine. Actually, I just came from a birthday party. So,
That's beautiful. I love birthday parties. Okay, so here's the question. If a foreigner wanted to date you, how much money should he have per month to live here?
maybe a 100K would do. will
100.
yes, that's the minimum I think.
How about your parents? Do you have any idea how much your monthly cost of living?
Um since we're studying in a private school and the tuition is very high, and I think 50K monthly is 50-50 I think in ano.
Oh, so we have someone that is, I would say, rich or what?
I don't know.
We always interview students, college students, and you're studying. You mentioned that you're studying in a private school, right? Can I ask you like how much is your, I would say, what do you call that? Yeah, tuition fee.
36, but I have a sibling, that's why
More, double.
yes.
36,000 yearly.
Per sem, 5 months, 36.
That's private.
Yes. Okay.
How do you say that? It's different if you're studying in public school. Okay. Well, how about this one, Bem? What's the cheapest date that would still impress you? Cheapest date.
Date? Street food date.
How much do you think a date on a street food will cost you?
50 pesos or 100.
Okay.
Student friendly. Student friendly prices.
What's the most romantic thing a guy can do without spending money?
Quality time and just uh letting you know that he loves you. Because love is priceless.
I love that. If a foreigner made only 30,000 Philippine pesos a month, would you still date him?
Yes, because money doesn't buy happiness, and we can still manage it if we want to. And yeah, that's it.
Do you think he can live comfortably here in the Philippines if he only have 30,000 Philippine pesos a month?
Not literally, because the current bill, water bill, and the other stuffs that you need to buy, especially groceries like that, it's coming high. That's all.
How about in the province? Because we are in the city, right? Naga City. How about if he's going to live in the province? Do you think it's enough?
30K is enough? I think yes, because some markets in the province are still on affordable prices. And 30K is pretty much too much, I think. Okay.
Okay, if you're going to live in the province. Now, this one, what's the biggest financial mistake foreigners make when dating Filipinas? In your opinion?
Um, Mistake?
Financial mistakes.
Maybe they're naive. For example, if you date a Filipina woman and that woman took advantage of your financial life, so I think that would be the mistake that they will experience.
Can you give us an example what Filipinas they usually do to take advantage to the foreigners financially?
Sorry for the word, but sugar daddy like that. Yes.
Okay, but at least she has an idea, right? You have an idea. I think you're watching YouTube, right? YouTube videos, new.
Socially aware as a student.
What are you studying, babe?
Human services.
And what year are you now?
Second year.
What is your name and age?
Alisa, 22 years old.
How are you tonight, ma'am?
Good.
Good. What's the cheapest date that would still impress you? You as a Filipina, what's the cheapest date that would impress you?
I think street foods is enough for me.
How much do you think street food would cost?
100 is enough. It is enough po.
100 pesos. Now, what's the most romantic thing a guy can do without spending money?
Okay lang po ma'am yung ano niya, yung kung paano niya ma'am, yung treatment niya ma'am sa akin. Enough na po yun yung sweet treatment, mga ganun.
Treat you nicely. That's enough. Okay. No need to do anything, right? Just to treat you nicely. Mom, what's your job, mom?
Sales demo.
What is your name and age?
Cassie po, 19 years old.
Okay. How are you tonight, Cassie?
I'm good po.
Very good. Okay, so here's the question, Cassie. If a foreigner wanted to date you, how much money should he have per month to live here?
I think 50K girl.
Okay, 50,000.
For living expenses po.
Okay, 50,000 Philippine pesos a month. Okay. What's the cheapest date that would still impress you?
Maybe some barbecue. Quick, ganon.
Oh, street foods. It's very common for Filipinos to say this. How much do you think it would cost?
I think 500.
500 pesos for you and then your date, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what's the most romantic thing a guy can do without spending money?
Words of affirmation and act of service po.
If a foreigner made only 30,000 Philippine pesos a month, would you still date him?
Yes.
What's the biggest financial mistake foreigners make when dating Filipinas?
They met some wrong Filipina po. And dating some wrong Filipina po.
Okay.
Spending some money in a wrong Filipina po.
Spending money on a wrong Filipina. Are you still studying, Beth? May we know what's your course?
Senior high lang po.
Senior, okay. Single or taken?
Mm,
She's not sure. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much. We will really appreciate your time. Thank you.
Hopefully, we earned your subscription, and also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching, and take care, everyone.
Beautiful reflection